Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you that how you will use your Google Sheets. So let's start. So first refresh your computer and open Google Chrome. Okay, so Google Drive. I am changing my mail ID. Okay, so we have made these files, you also know. So how we will create a sheet, Google Sheet? Just click here new and then Google Sheets. Okay, so this is the name of the spreadsheet. I'm giving as ZICT. Okay, so each of the boxes are called cells and these things are called rows and these are columns. These are columns. So if we select this cell, such as this is E number column and this is 6 number row. So its name is E6. Or if you click here, this is A number column and 2 number row, A2. Like this, these names are formed. You can also change this name. This is A1, such as S. So if you click here, then its name is A1. You can change for temporarily. Okay, so first I will show you how you can such as write as a student list. Name and the marks. Name, then marks. Marks. Okay, so name. So I will type first name as John. Second name as Jackie. These are two students and John's marks is 20 and Jackie's mark is 19. Okay. So now if we want to make this name and marks bold, just click B for bold. Again B for unbold. I for italic. Again if you click, then it will undo. Then strike through. Okay, if we again click, not. And this one is the text color. If you click here, which color we want? Red, red. Or if I want it as black. Then if we want to color this cell, means each boxes are called cell, then this is fill color. Which color we want? Red, red. Oh, blue. Okay. This one also blue. Okay. So if we want to make serial, such as if we type roll number, if you click here 1 and then 2, if we then select this and up to which much we want, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 9 10, up to 19. If we select only 19, then it will be only 19. How much copy you want? 19. Delete. If we click any of the number after and after, if we type as 2, then 4, I think you can guess what will be the next number. Let's see, 6, then 8, 10, 12, how much? Okay, so if we give back gap as 3, 6, then see 3, 6, 9, 12, 27. You know, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 2 5s are 15, like this. So if we give gap as 17, first one will be 17, next one will be 34. Let's see how much. Means times table we can get out from here. Okay. If we want to add some numbers, we can just, here is such as 2 and here is 3. If we want to add these two numbers, we just select this number. Here is functions, just sum. So I'm equals to D2 and E2. You know how D2, D2 and E number column and 2, E2, 5. 2 plus 2 is 5. If we again want this and some 10. So how? Just do 10, 4. Okay. Okay. So I'm also cutting this roll number. Now I will show you that how you will insert an image. Here is insert, then image, insert image over cells. They do not give insert image in cell. Means one image would be insert in a cell. Means a very small picture over cells. Cells. Now Google image search. I will search here for images as Google Sheets. Google Sheets. This one. No, just wait. Okay. These are image. You can move here. Delete image. Delete image. I don't want this here. Okay. How we can change the font? Here is font. Which font? This one. Marks. Okay. So now here is zooming. How much you want? 75% more small. 200%. Too big. I prefer 100%. Okay. So like this, you can work in Google Sheets. And now I will show you how you will make a chart or graph. Just select this, and here is insert chart. Chart. Oh, this is our chart. Here is pie chart. I don't want this type of chart. Marks versus name. This one. Jackie got less, John got best. So for you. Delete chart. Okay. So like this, you can make charts and also insert. So bye bye and thanks for watching.